this is where you're gonna take off from the Cherut if you're taking Cherut, and this is Dan Tel-Aviv Hotel. That's your landmark. And this is 𝐬𝐪𝐼𝐻 and Mendeli Street. This is the corner, and you just have to turn right, and from here you can pretty much see the hotel from afar. You just have to walk right there, and that's the hotel right there. Let's go. We are now entering the lobby of this hotel, and you can see the interior from here, and this is the restaurant, or the Masha restaurant. This is also where you're gonna have your breakfast in the morning. And now let's go check in to the reception area. Let's go to our room. There you go. We are at 4. Oh my god, I look so ngarap. And we are checking in at 4:04. So let's see. There you go. It's 4. Oh my god, nice. Nothing. So, I like the color. I'm at 4:04. So, I'm at 4:04. The room smells so good. I don't know. So welcome to the Mendeli Street Hotel room tour. So I'm gonna be turning you guys around to the hotel room where I'm gonna be checking in for today's vlog. So pretty much the room is just so simple, but I like the ambience. Anything white in it, I just love it because I don't know, parang napaka-relaxing lang ng color white, like the walls, the decors, and everything. It's just so minimalist, and I just love it. Okay, let's start na our room tour. So let's start on the restroom, which is over here. So there, ang galing. So it's like everything is touchscreen. This is the restroom. Yan. Ganyan lang yung restroom. I'm gonna show you their toiletries. Oh my god. Yeah, that's it. And also they have, what is this? Oh my god, they have like a complimentary hydrating soap. Check outside. Okay, the room, you pretty much have an idea of what the room looks like. It's just so basic. There's no so much decoration in it, which is I love. So let's check out the cabinets. Nice. Spacious. And this is the refrigerator. They have 2 complimentary water. And also they have this where you can put all your important things that you want to put into the safe. Also, they have this where you can put your and there's also a chair where you can sit. Another bottle of water and a coffee area where you can use your coffee. There you go. And then you just have to put it right there. So, where you can do your espresso and stuff like that. So, yeah. This is the window for outside. There's nothing in there. Nothing. Nothing. This is the main building of the Mendeli Hotel, and then right outside they also have a gym area, and this is the building going to the gym area. This is actually right next to it. So yeah, this is our hotel room tour for Mendeli Street Hotel. And I hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye! Thank you so much for watching. Please feel free to follow my adventure and misadventure in life, and be sure to subscribe to this channel for videos and travel vlogs. Don't forget to hit the bell to join my notification squad. Till next time, bye!